Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Superhatch to create custom hatching. Let's get started. So before we type in Superhatch, let's create a rectangle. And then press escape. And then let's type in Superhatch. And then press enter. I'm going to click the image. And then I'm going to select this image. And then press OK. And then OK. Let's place it inside the box. I'm just gonna zoom in. So roughly like this size. So once I do that, it will ask me, is the placement of this image acceptable? I'm gonna click spacebar. And then the next thing will be by clicking inside of this box. And then spacebar again. Give it a second and it will be hatching the image you selected. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.